Well, hey there, model community. Welcome back to another quick video. As you can tell, this is the aftermath of the show that was in Anniston, Alabama, an hour-and-a-half drive for me on April the 6th, 2024. Now I'm going to show you what I won, show you some shop cards, and some stash ads. Now, if you haven't seen the video, it'll be the one right before this one on the show. Go ahead and check it out. So, first off, let's go ahead and check out these shop cards. So we got Tim here, Tim Kustoms. Met him, he's pretty cool. At the show there, they had, the theme was Mustangs, and he actually won the best Ford Mustang at the show. So, congrats to him with that. He had lots of really cool builds. Again, all the coverage was in the video previous to this one. Now, his link will be below in the description. There's his Gmail. And then I got Mr. Fred Henry here. Now, old Fred Henry, he's a cool guy. He had this sitting up there. This actual car sitting up there on the table. And I was going against that car with this one here. My 32 Ford. Well, guess what? I knew right away when I seen his, I was going to get not first place. There was 3 on the table. And I knew right away I was not getting first. He got first on his, and I got second on mine. His link will be below as well. Both these guys. Now, at the show, this particular show, these are the tokens. This here is a second place token. Gold was a first place. This is a third place token, bronze. So I got 2 second and 2 thirds. So I got a second place on this 32 Ford, third place on this tractor. I got a third place on this Impala. And I got a second place on this Pontiac GTO diorama. So that's what I won there. Now my stash ads, I got a 3D printed supercharger here. This supercharge fits on this engine, which is a, let's see, a 572. Hold on. See, yeah, 572. That's pretty cool. I don't know what I'm going to use it on. And then a couple bicycles. I'm going to use these for dioramas. And then I got this 69 Charger. The date on it is 89. Still in the wrapper. 132 scale. And then I got this other one here. The same style, 132. Still in the package. Which is pretty cool. And then I got this 70.5 Chevy Camaro Z28 here. Still in the package. And then they had raffles, and I won this raffle. I already got this one here. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I'll find something. That's pretty much it, guys. Make sure to check out the video previous to this one if you haven't seen it. And also, these guys, check them out down below. I hope that you all are gonna stay safe. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all next time.